Hello, good morning. My name is Ricardo Valls. I'm a PGO geologist with about 36 years of international experience here in Ontario, in Toronto, Canada. Today I'm going to talk about a website that I found extremely useful. It's called Kudos, and it's really useful for academy, but I also think that people in the industry could use it very well too. I'm going to share my screen now. And this is the site. You go to growkudos.com, and what Kudos does is it's a place where you can put all your publications. And so it's a good reference. I mean, you can put a link in your CV, and people can come and see all the papers that you have published or pre-printed, and it has some statistics like the amount of views, the amount of citations, some altimetrics, etc., etc. So this by itself is a very useful tool. It's for free, and the way you add the publication, you just click here, and you add here the DOI or the title of your publication, or if you have an ORCID, and I will talk about this at the end of this video, the program will automatically search your ORCID number and automatically add information to your list of publications. This is all for free, but the part that I would like to show you in more detail is this new called projects. Projects is an extremely useful way of planning your projects, and you can have as many projects as you want. This is a paid service. I'm using a complimentary access at this moment. For example, when you create a project, I will open this one here just to show you. And I switch to the public view. When you click on a link, this is where you come, okay? And it's a website, it's like a landing page. The project has its own DOI, and it has explanation what it's about, what it's important, what the perspective. The outputs are the different sources, for example, books or videos that you are presenting to the public. And there are ways to get in touch with you via email or your website. Now, you prepare this. Normally, you have you start with the title of the project. You can select an image, you can select the logo, you explain what it is about, what is important. They also provide examples of how to fill these things in case you don't have any ideas. And then you have all type of outputs from publication, slides, data, poster, video, images, and many others. And you just create links to this site. The thing is, the program doesn't save the actual publications or sources. You need to save them online somewhere, like in Mendeley Data or SlideShare by LinkedIn, or there are many places where you can save your YouTube, your videos, etc. And then here you just post a link. Let me show you. For example, you put the title, you put the link, and the system automatically search an image and take a description. Okay, so that is the managing part. But the part that I really like a lot, and that's why I'm presenting the thing, is the plan. Now, the plan, when you click here for the first time, it allows you to create a plan, a communication plan. For example, you start by defining what will be your audience, okay? You're talking for your peers in your field or research in other fields. This is a public thing. This is for educators, industry. You can always type your own audience, okay? Then the next step will be the impact of engagement, and here you're defining for whom are you creating this page. What is the reason? Well, I want to increase the understanding, change attitude, creating economic, creating knowledge in this area. For example, specific goal, you can type here, specific goal, this 3 books for me, I should be on the desk of every senior geologist. Click save. And then here in the activities, you can add plans for all the type of activities, conference, target email, printed material, etc., etc., etc. So you plan all your things here, and your collaborators and students can also work with you here and take care of filling this gap. The results show you, how many people have visited the project, which of the links, targeted links that you created generate the most interest. These are the shared links, and from which part of the world people are reading and accessing your books. For example, I have here 8 people from Spain, 4 people from the States, 3 people from Chile, a couple of guys from India, etc., etc. One thing I forgot to say in the manage thing at the bottom, here is where you create your links that are targeted, the targeted links. So you create a Twitter, for example, and it will create a link specifically designed for Twitter or Facebook, or you can create a link for anything. You can suggest your own labels. Okay, so it's a very good tool when you want to check the effectiveness of your program. Now, I mentioned before about the ORCID, the ORCID system. Let me see how can I get there. Sorry, this is on its way. I'm gonna stop the sharing just for a second. Move this to the side and share again. Sorry. So here. Oh, it falls immediately behind the screen. Okay, let's do it this way. ORCID. ORCID, which is the proper name, is a number, a code that you will associate with your name. So anytime you publish or preprint an article, you add this number and it identifies you forever as the owner of this article. It's like a blockchain, but for science. So that is where I was saying that when you're using Kudos and you want to add a new paper, it will add just automatically. So you just go to ORCID.org and register. This is for free. So I hope this was useful for everybody. My name is Ricardo Valls. My email is vallsvg@gmail.com, vallsvg@gmail.com. And I'm here to answer any questions you may have. Have a great day.